you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Man, whatever you can do, man.
That smell is not me. I don't know where that's coming from.
That's all good. That part of it. What you running here, man?
4 Sundown XV215s on 2 Crossfire 8Ks.
Yeah.
Somebody get some more reserves.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the blood of Jesus Christ.
Thank you, DJ Dirty Bass, for making this pack all organized and crazy.
That's exactly how it is, yeah.
Organized and unorganized.
And then you try to find a song next week, you can't find it. It's like it's in a different place. It seems like.
I put it in the book, cause I don't give a fuck. She said she gon' deep throw 1%, cause OT, I be like, that's me, ho. She shaking that booty. Let's take her back to the crib, she I don't need me no demons, cause bitch, I'm the devil. Yeah, bitch, I'm grooving on.
Oh yeah, don't take long.
Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron. Last can't call it. For sure. Ask why, cause the white folks don't. Type of money you gon' need to buy.
Let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
Jason Turgeon on Facebook, Money Pit on TikTok.
Okay, man, I'm tagging down below. Good thing.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.